Here's a cool project that we're just wrapping up. So all the areas you're going to see with pavers used to be this exposed aggregate concrete, which is painful for the bare foot. So this homeowner called us because the rocks in the exposed aggregate concrete were popping out. They were getting in the pool and they were just hard on the feet. So we came in and demoed all the concrete, took out several inches of soil, brought back in class 2 base material, compacted it, and then an inch of sand and then the pavers. We also put in lights. Let's see, there's one right there, one right here. So around the perimeter of the pool, there's lights that light up at night on an automatic transformer. Comes on every night whenever you set it, or you can control it by your phone to come on anytime you want. There was an issue here with some drainage, some puddling that was always happening right over in this area. So we fixed all that with a channel drain that goes out into the yard and then flows around the side of the house. They also had a built-in kitchen put in. It wasn't by us. But we're just here doing the finishing touches. The builder of this outdoor kitchen got some grout on top of the pavers. So one good thing about pavers is that they're resilient. We hit it with the power washer and clean it up. Just a good looking pool deck. Take a minute and look at the detail around here. This is Bellegarde's Lafitte Grana in Luder's Gray with a Holland 4x8 charcoal border all the way around. It's my son doing the ceiling. Just a really good looking paver patio / pool deck. Oh, and we used poly sand on all the joints before with the installation of it. Again, the lights all the way down the side here, going back and forth.